Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure TikTok actually can use the camera and storage. Grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions, then disable battery saver so the phone won't throttle video. Once done, update both TikTok and your Android system and clear TikTok's cache to remove old corrupted temp files. Make sure you're using the rear camera for higher resolution. Switch to it now and close other apps to free RAM, because performance directly affects recording quality. Next, configure how TikTok records and uploads. In TikTok settings, look for Upload HD and enable it. This ensures full resolution uploads. Then open your native camera app, set video resolution to the highest available, and choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on stability. Higher FPS needs more light and CPU. Make sure data saver is off in both system and TikTok, and prefer Wi-Fi or high bandwidth mobile so compression during upload is minimized. If TikTok's camera still trims quality, record with your phone app and import the file. Finally, test everything. Record a short clip inside TikTok and also with your phone's camera, then compare the gallery file to the uploaded post. If the in-app recording looks worse, reinstall TikTok and reset camera app preferences to restore defaults. Make sure you have at least 10% free storage and reboot the phone before your final upload so cache is clear. If issues persist, try recording externally and import the video. This bypasses TikTok's recorder and often fixes persistent quality drops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.